So we're still in DI department costs, and we're going to go into sheet 2. And we're basically going to get rid of the chart that is displayed and create a tree map chart. So we're going to click on department expenses on this column chart, and we're going to press the delete key. And then we're going to select A2 through C8. I'm going to go into insert. And this is the tree map. It is a type of hierarchy chart. So we're going to go ahead and click on the arrow. And we are going to select the tree map option. And then right away, we're going to adjust the style to style 4. And so if we actually click here, let's make sure we've got the right one. Should be the 4th one in. And then we're going to change the colors, and we're going to select color 3 in the colorful section. So we're under colorful, we're going to choose the 3rd one. And what we're going to do is add a little legend. So we're going to go into chart elements. We're going to actually get that little drop down here for legend. And they want none. And actually for none, we don't really need the drop down. All we need to do is remove the check mark next to legend. So what they want is none. And then we're going to click in the chart title placeholder. And you can actually click in and edit within here, or you can use the technique that we learned before. Get rid of that. Where we actually type up here. Let me go into format, get chart title. And we're going to go ahead and start keying. And then we're going to adjust the height and width of this tree map. So we need to make sure the chart itself is selected. So you can either go into chart area, or you can click in the section that says chart area. And over on the far right is your height and your width. So for the height, we want 5. And then for the width, we want 4. And we're going to move the chart so it's positioned below the cells that contain the data. So I'm on the border, got the universal move symbol. And I'm just going to position that right below my data. And then I'm going to click outside of the chart to deselect. And then what I'm going to do is center this worksheet horizontally and vertically. So why don't we save our changes. And to center horizontally and vertically, we're going to go into page layout and choose page setup. Go into margins, and this is where the center on page checkboxes are. We're going to turn on horizontal and vertical. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And you do not need to print this, but we are going to go into print preview and just double check to make sure it indeed is centered. Okay, and at this point, we're going to save our changes, and we are done with this worksheet and workbook.